Hello tool groupies and welcome to the Backwoods Mechanic channel. Today we're reviewing, well, it's not going to be this snap-on. It's going to be this Dewalt, model number DCF883M2. Everything comes in this hard plastic storage case secured by two metal latches right here and a carrying handle for nice convenient storage and transportation. Now, inside of this case, you get a battery charger, two battery packs, and a 3/8 drive impact wrench from Dewalt. This is all covered by a 3-year limited warranty, 1 year of free service, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Further information, just go to dewalt.com, call 1-800-4DEWALT. Now, this toolkit that you're looking at retails for around $269 in store. I'll post the cheapest link in the description box below, along with detailed information and links to other tool reviews on this channel. We have the stationary charger, model number DCB115. It charges 12 to 20 volt battery packs across the Dewalt platform. It does have the LED indicators there informing you of the battery's condition, whether it's fully charged in the process of charging or if a hot cold delay has occurred. It also comes with two 20 volt max XR 3 amp hour lithium ion batteries with a built-in fuel gauge indicator, so it will let you know when the battery's power level has went up and down during the operation. If you decided to store these things for long periods of time, 3-4 months, all you got to do is take this, push the button right here, and it'll show you. You can briefly push it or hold it down. This one is at full charge right here. The one in the driver itself, it's half charged. So this one needs charged a little bit, but it's nice and convenient. Those little LED lights right there will come in handy throughout the work process. You always know whether your battery's going to be running low, when it's time to charge it, or if you're good to go for a few hours. Now, these are fully compatible with all 20 volt max tools. They have 33% more runtime than the 18 volt batteries, and they're 22% lighter than the DCB 200 batteries. They have no memory and virtually no self-discharge for maximum productivity and less downtime. Plus, the average charge time on these batteries right here is right around 45 minutes before they're fully charged. Now, if you buy these separately, you're going to get a 3-year limited warranty with them, but it's going to cost you about $170. And then, of course, we have this beauty right here, the trademark black and yellow Dewalt 3/8 drive impact wrench. This will cost you $130 by itself if you buy just the tool. Altogether, it weighs 2.2 pounds solo, 3.5 pounds including the battery pack. It is 5.7 inches long, and well, you'll see the width and the height right there on the screen. It's very lightweight, compact, and ideal for any tradesman on the go. It easily fits in all the places that a 1/2-inch drive impact wrench simply will not fit. It does have a black textured anti-slip rubber overmold grip right here, which enhances the grip, comfort, and control of this particular tool. The variable speed trigger rests right here at your fingertips, so whenever you depress that trigger button, it activates these 3 LED lights right here surrounding the anvil, so it'll help provide shadow-free illumination when you're working. Now, these stay lit for around 20 seconds after the trigger's released, so it kind of acts as an improvised flashlight without the need to constantly be holding the trigger down in order to use it. Now, right directly above that trigger is the forward and reverse selector switch right there. You can easily switch directions with one-hand operation, so if you're busy doing something and you need to go in reverse or forward, all you gotta do is use your index finger, use your thumb. You can switch back and forth anytime you want to. Now, the 3/8 drive has what's called a hog ring anvil on it. The hog ring makes it very easy for you to secure and exchange sockets. Most people are used to anvils with a detent ball on it. This doesn't have any detent ball, and the hog ring is right here. It wraps right around it. It depresses when you put the socket on there, and it expands, holding tension on it. So it makes all the sockets you put on this thing, all the adapters you put on this thing, really easy to exchange and keep secured during use. Now, the gear case is made from durable magnesium, which helps provide a protective layer over the frameless motor. It has an all-metal transmission and a heavy-duty impact mechanism for enhanced durability at fast speeds during operation. This 3/8 drive impact wrench altogether provides 1,560 inch-pounds of torque, 130 foot-pounds of torque, with a no-load speed of 2,300 RPMs that produces 2,700 impacts per minute. Basically, this compact little impact gun right here, it directs all of that torque without any kickback, and that's really good considering this is a mid-range fastener with mid-range range fastening applications throughout various trades. Whether you're a small engine mechanic, automotive mechanic, commercial equipment repair guy, maintenance guy, or much more, this tool right here will be great for a wide array of jobs. And any job where you are installing or removing fasteners on a daily basis, a tool like this will be absolutely essential to have in your collection. It has an abundant amount of torque for its compact size. I have used it for 2 months now. I wanted to buy it and test it out on a bunch of different stuff during the 90-day warranty so I would know whether I wanted to keep it or take it back and exchange it for a KOBALT or just get my money back and go buy a Milwaukee product. But since I've purchased it and actually been using this for the last 2 months, I think it does great for the applications that I intend to use it for. Now, after I did start using this particular impact wrench, I did decide it was time for me to reinvest in some brand new power tools from Dewalt. If you would like to see that new reinvestment, just look for my tool haul video that's coming. Check out the links in the description box below. Go over to Instagram and hit follow. Some of what I post over there, I'll tell you this much, the tool bear didn't get everything. He missed a few things. On top of that, you will also see this tool and others in action on this channel performing real world repairs. And after some extended use and abuse, you will get real world results. I'm not here shilling and e-bagging. I'll go out here and buy what works for me. If it works, good. If it don't, it don't. What I buy might not work for you. That's why you should watch a wide array of channels and get a good feel for whatever tool it is that you're shopping around for, whatever price range fits your budget. If you're a maintenance guy, something like this may apply to you. Then again, it may not apply to you. If you're an automotive mechanic, you know what? This could be a good starter set. Maybe you'll like Milwaukee. Maybe you'll go buy yourself something like this. Snap-on. I've had this thing for years. It has worked flawlessly. This one and the 1/2-inch drive. The only problem is I've rebuilt the batteries 6 different times, but the tool itself has yet to fail me. But there will be a day and time where that comes. So I wanted to lighten the load on this one. Instead of taking it everywhere I go for every job that I do, I decided to buy this Dewalt right here, put it in my toolbox, take it with me to help share the burden of all the different repairs that I handle. Now, whenever I'm working on automotive stuff, I can pull out the Dewalt. When I'm working on industrial machines, I can pull out the Snap-on. Like I said, I like to buy things that work logically for me. It was a coin toss between buying Dewalt, KOBALT, and Milwaukee. Milwaukee was on the high end, and quite frankly, I do like the KOBALT products. The XTR products are really nice, and my choice was primarily going to be between the Dewalt line or the KOBALT line. And the first one that I invested to try out was this one right here. Luckily, I did, because all these great sales started happening at Lowe's, and I was able to rack up on a whole set of Dewalt tools. And if you want to see this thing in action, get some torque specs and stuff like that, I'll post some channels right here on screen or in the description box below that I might recommend you go see. However, if you are someone who has the Dewalt 883, then please comment down below. Tell us what your profession is, you use this impact wrench for. Did it work for you or did it not? Let us know. It'll help somebody out here make a more informed decision. Before we finish up here, I am going to set them side by side so you can see the differences right here. Now, of course, the Snap-on is definitely bigger than what the Dewalt is. The Dewalt is a lot more compact. Going to be a lot lighter in my hand. So this is definitely going to be good for tradesmen out here, maintenance applications, light duty work, stuff like that. The Snap-on is going to continue being the one that I take for heavy duty applications, because quite frankly, this thing, it's just a spectacular tool. As you can see, there's all kinds of torque, all kinds of power with this one. Every time I hit the button, it kicks back. You don't got that with the Dewalt. The Dewalt has all that power with no kickback, plus it has the LED lights. It's just a really good, well-made, compact product. It's a great alternative to have for certain situations for the price. Now, if I find that I'm needing something with a little bit more power, I will go invest in a better quality tool. The only way to find out for sure is pop the clutch on that subscribe button. You will see these tools in action and much more. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, go out here and buy yourself some tools and get to making repairs great again.